Hi, this is Mike from Smart Home Connection, and I'm going to talk to you about the iDevices wall plug. Hit it!
Smart Home Connection. Smart Home Connection.
So here we have the unboxing of the iDevices wall plug. It basically uses your hot wire and the neutral wire and a grounding wire. It's a typical install for the new homes, probably 1980 or after. You do have your fold out HomeKit code here on the right. It ticks in there and comes out like that. You do have a HomeKit code on the side here. It does come with wire ties. It does come with a programmable LED light in the middle for the if you want it to act as a little night light or not. It does work with Siri. It works with Amazon and Google. It has voice control and energy monitoring, dual outlet control. In other words, these can control two different appliances. And the color ID, and you do not have to have a hub like the Caseta Lutron series. That's basically why you need the neutral wire. So there you have it, and we will put it into the wall and I'll show you the app. So I'm going to take you into the iDevices app and show you how to work the iDevices wall outlet. So we're going to go into my smart apps here. Go to iDevices. It's on the garage right now, but if I go to rooms and then I go down to kitchen as one product. So that's wall outlet A and wall outlet B. So if I want to turn on the light, I do the A. I can turn it off. So that's the app. You can add a device by going to home, and then you can go here and you can go add product right down there. You have all the different rooms of HomeKit, and you can see all the different devices. So that's also neat about the app. Shows all that. And then you can also do schedules, you can do scenes, you can do a trigger, you can do energy reports, you can do different things. So that's basically the app. If you have any other questions, this device does have two different outlets, so they control differently. So inside HomeKit, let me go to HomeKit real quick, show you HomeKit. Inside HomeKit, you have the kitchen A and the kitchen B. You can hear it kind of click. So that's pretty much that. And I can turn it off. So that's the iDevices wall outlet. If you have any questions, please leave comments. Please like and subscribe. See you later.
Smart Home Connection.